So here we need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we have cosine of pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 2 pi over 15 times cosine of 3 pi over 15, but we can simplify this to get pi over 5 multiplied to cosine of 4 pi over 15 times cosine of 5 pi over 15, that corresponds to pi over 3, times cosine of 6 pi over 15 can be also expressed as 2 pi over 5 multiplied to cosine of 7 pi over 15. Now we're going to combine few terms. So we will take cosine pi over 15 and multiply it to cosine 2 pi over 15. The next we'll take cosine 4 pi over 15, and then we're going to take cosine of 7 pi over 15. This is going to be one combined term, and to it we are going to multiply cosine pi over 5 times cosine pi over 3 multiplied to cosine 2 pi over 5. Fine. Now, what's the value of cosine pi over 3? That is a standard value of 1/2. So we get 1/2 multiplied to cosine pi over 15 times cosine 2 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine 4 pi over 15. Here, cosine 7 pi over 15 is actually negative cosine 8 pi over 15. I'm saying that it is equivalent to. We will talk about this in a moment. So multiply to cosine pi over 5. We've already taken care of cosine pi over 3. This will be multiplied to cosine 2 pi over 5. So let's talk about cosine 7 pi over 15. Cosine of 7 pi over 15. This can be also expressed as cosine of 15 pi minus 8 pi divided by 15. Now, 15 pi over 15, this is going to give us cosine of pi minus 8 pi over 15. Now we know for a fact that cosine of pi minus theta corresponds to negative cosine theta. So here theta is 8 pi over 15. Here we have used the fact that cosine of pi minus theta will be equals to negative cosine theta, and that's the reason why we have replaced the value of cosine 7 pi over 15 with negative cosine 8 pi over 15. So let's rewrite our expression. Now we have negative 1/2 multiplied to cosine of pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 2 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 4 pi over 15, but we can rewrite 4 pi as 2 squared pi over 15 times cosine of 8 pi over 15, that can be expressed as 2 cube pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of pi over 5 times cosine of 2 pi over 5. Now, to find out the value of this particular expression as well as these two product, we're going to use the formula here. We know that if we have cosine of a multiplied to cosine of 2a times cosine of 2 squared a times cosine of 2 cube a, and this goes on up to the nth one, which is cosine of 2 raised to the power of n minus 1 times a, then this is given by sine of 2 raised to the power of n times angle a divided by 2 raised to the power of n multiplied to sine of a. Now in our case, a corresponds to pi over 15. So here we will have, so let's simplify this. Now we have negative half multiplied to, so here a is pi over 15. So we should get sine of 2 raised to the power of n. So n will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total there are 4 terms here. Over 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied to a. So a will be pi over 15 whole divided by 2 raised to the power of 4 times sine of angle a. So a is pi over 15 multiplied to, similarly here we have cosine of a multiplied to cosine of 2a. So this will become sine of 2 raised to the power. So there are 2 cosine functions here multiplied to each other. So n value will be 2. We have 2 squared times a. A is pi over 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 times sine of angle pi over 5. Okay, so let's further simplify. Now we have negative 1/2 multiplied to sine. So 2 raised to the power of 4, that's 16. So we have 16 pi over 15 divided by 2 raised to the power of 4. So that's 16 times sine pi over 15. Right. This will be multiplied to sine of, so 2 squared pi over 5. So that's 4 pi over 5 divided by 2 squared. So that's 4. So we have 4 times sine pi over 5. Further simplification will now give us, so we'll have to simplify sine 16 pi over 15. So let's work with that. Sine 16 pi over 15 can be also expressed as sine of pi plus pi over 15. And sine pi plus pi over 15, that corresponds to negative sine pi over 15. Using the fact that sine pi plus theta corresponds to negative sine theta, which means that sine 16 pi over 15 will be equivalent to negative sine pi over 15. And then we have sine 4 pi over 5. This can be also expressed as sine of pi minus pi over 5, which will be equals to sine pi over 5. So here we have used the fact that sine of pi minus theta will be positive sine theta. Or in other words, we can say that sine 4 pi over 5, that's equivalent to sine pi over 5. So let's rewrite this expression. So we now have negative half multiplied to, so sine 16 pi over 15 can be replaced with negative sine pi over 15 divided by 16 multiplied to sine pi over 15 multiplied to sine pi over 5. So we have replaced sine 4 pi over 5 with sine pi over 5 divided by 4 times sine pi over 5. Okay, now finally we will get, we can factor out sine pi over 15, sine pi over 15, and sine pi over 5, sine pi over 5. So this negative and this negative will become positive. In the numerator, we have only 1. Now 2 times 16, that's 32. 32 times 4, that's going to be 128. So this is going to be the final value of the given trig expression. So let's go to expression. So the value of this entire trig expression amounts to 1 over 128.